Hi everyone, I'm Iyenikeyal. I'm a student of Face Prep campus. I'm currently studying first BCA at Amaraavathi College of Arts and Science. I have created an app without using any code, and my app name is Alarm Clock. Let's go to the Google Chrome and search MIT App Inventor. Click the link, and this is my screen one. In this screen, I use image, label, text box, button. These are my components I use in screen one. Next, go to the block page. In block page, we can see the components that we are using the screen one. These are the blocks. We want to connect this blocks like puzzle pieces. These blocks give me the function to my app. Next, go to the build and click Android app. After 100%, the progress is complete. Next, we want to scan this barcode in our mobile phone. After scanning, the app will download on my mobile. This is how my app looks. In this app, I enter alert message and set time and set alarm. And it works perfectly. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Face Prep Campus.